Okay, we're giving you a tour of a king room in the Margaritaville Resort in Shreveport, Bossier City area. This is a full casino resort with all kinds of stuff on site. There's also a Bass Pro Outdoor World next door, and it looks like either a Top Golf or one of those type companies where you can do, the golf range stuff. Pretty nice bathroom. Pretty big actually, nice and spacious, way nicer than I was expecting, to be honest. And let's see what we got going on. Here's the shower. Here is your amenities in the shower. And let's go take a look at the room. I'm actually pretty impressed with the room. It's good size, nicely appointed. It's actually pretty nice. Driving in, it's Shreveport, so it's just kind of a city, nothing too exciting, but not bad. Got a coffee maker here. Your normal ice bucket, that kind of stuff. Pretty nice sized room. I mean, lots of room in here. Okay, so let's see. Speed dial extensions in case you need to call somebody. This does appear to be an adjoining room, so that's an option here. And near the bed, I am seeing some outlets. They're kind of built into the side of the nightstand. I didn't notice that until just now. Looks like USB-C, USB-A, regular plugs. I guess the switches are there. Your air conditioning. Really nice little table to work on. Not much of a view. Not really going to show you because it's basically just a parking lot. But looks like you can get Netflix and all that on your TV. More outlets there as well. Like a little fridge there. Safe in the closet. It does have a closet near the front door. So we'll try to get a little bit more video of the resort. I'm sure there's restaurants on site and all that since it's Margaritaville. Questions in the comments, and that's it for the king room. All right, so this is the lobby of Margaritaville Resort in Shreveport. Pretty big casino. Not much going on in the lobby, but that's okay. Got some construction going on. This is the sports bar here at Margaritaville. There's several restaurants, but this is the more American food looking one. All right, this is the pool area at the Margaritaville Resort. And they've got a tiki bar. Sam's Town's in the background. Bally's across the water as well. Pretty cool bridge that lights up at night here in Shreveport.
Or just behind us.
Yeah, and this is the second floor here at the resort. There's also a gym that looks pretty nice. So really nice looking pool area. Unfortunately, it's 40 degrees when we're here, but if you come during the summer, it looks like it's a pretty nice little resort.